Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga Goddess ko? So, another reading na naman tayo today for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. No? So, kamusta kayo dyan mga water signs natin? No? So, let's see anong sitwasyon sa inyong mga career right now. No? And of course, possible lucky numbers for you within this week, no? Or color, kung may makuha tayong color for you, no? Water sign. So, let's start with you, Cancer. No, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Cancer, no? So, tignan natin anong sitwasyon ninyo sa inyong mga career right now, Cancer, right? No, so let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Cancer, no? 2 cards for Cancer, please. Para sa kanilang mga career, no? Anong meron, no? Anong ganap sa career ng mga Cancers natin, right? So, tignan natin yan. Excuse. So, you have this, no? Creativity, progress, no? So, for some of you, Cancer, no? Ang career nyo, no? You are, with your creativity, no? So, ito yung ginagawa, ito yung, paano ba ito? Yung iyong skills, no? Ang iyong creativity, no? So, ito yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng, financial mo, no? Something like that, no? So ano mo, kumbaga, i-enhance mo pa, no? With this creativity progress, no? Meaning ay, i-boost mo pa, no? Kailangan mo pa siyang palaguin, no? Something like that, no? So, kung meron ka pang mga, kasi for sure, marami ka pang naiisip na mga whatever is, kasi kung sabi natin creativity, no? So, your mind is full of imagination, no? Right, no? Cancer, mahilig kayong, marami kayong ideas, no? Nagpa-pop up lagi yan sa inyong mind, no? Something like that, no? So, meaning, ano mo siya, no? Hindi lang basta iniisip mo, no? Make it to reality, no? Something like that, no? So, para makita mo kung magpo-progress yung isang bagay na naiisip mo, no? Hindi puro isip lang. Do it, no? Kumbaga, take action na, no? With that creativity na nasa isip mo, no? Something like that, no? So, no? So, ito yung parang magiging way mo, no? For your stability, right? No? So, what else? So, no? For some of you din, no? Cancer, no? You are in this journey, no? Spiritual awakening, no? So, katulad ni Virgo, right? No? So, no? Maybe, Cancer, no? Just like me, no? Meron din kayong birth chart or placement na Virgo sign, no? So, you can relate also sa Virgo readings, no? So, just like me, meron din akong placement na Cancer, Capricorn, and Virgo. Marami, no? So, check nyo lang, no? So, you can relate din, no? So, maybe ay message din to, yung kay Virgo ay para rin sa'yo yun, no? Cancer, no? So, So, you have this spiritual awakening, no? So, kung sino lang ang makaka-resonate dito, no? Mga Cancer, no? So, you are in your journey right now, no? At this present moment, right? No? So, talagang may kinalaman nito sa iyong creativity, no? Ang iyong ang iyong spiritual journey, no? So, no? You can combine that, no? To have the stability na you are looking for, no? Mga Cancer, right? No? So, your creativeness, no? So, you can apply that to your spiritual awakening, no? To your spiritual journey, no? Mga Cancer, no? So, by combining that, di ba? Marami kang may isip na mas magandang idea and turn it into reality, right? No? So, no? So, magandang combination to, no? Mga Cancer natin dyan, no? So, So, again, no, this is very specific, no, for some of you Cancer, no, na in a spiritual journey right now, no. So, So, ito yung inyong career reading, no. So, maganda naman, no. So, congrats sa iyo, Cancer, no. So, you are in this journey right now, no. So, tignan naman natin possible lucky numbers for you this week, Cancer, no. So, kuha tayo ng 6 cards for you, Cancer, no? Possible lucky numbers for you or kung may kulay tayong makuha, no? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, yeah, let's see what are those cards for you, no? Mga cancers natin dyan. So, wait lang. Let's see what's the possible lucky numbers for you, no? So, you have 8, no? So, infinity, no? So, you have 8, no? Mga cancer, no? Yeah, no? Maybe for some of you, life path number mo, 8, no? For some of you, no? So, may kinalaman ang 8, no? So, what else? Diba? 18, no? So, may 8 pa rin, no? So, 18. And you also have 55, 55, angel number again, Cancer. So, maybe you are really connected or you have a placement din ng Virgo right now because 55 din meron din siya kanina. So, what else? Oops, yellow. Kay Capricorn, no? So, maybe, no? Yeah, you also have yellow, 19, and 42, no? So, yan, no? Ito yung mga possible lucky numbers nyo within this week, no? Mga Cancer natin dyan. So, again, no? Kapag nakita nyo ito repeatedly, no? Within this week is may marireceive kayong something good news, no? Something positive news, no? Whatever it is, no? May marireceive kayo, no? So, yan, no? And of course, you have angel number again, no? 55. And also, pwede rin to na angel number mo yung 88, no? So, I think talaga is you are really connected with the number 8 na infinity, no? So, yan, no? Parang siguro for some of you Cancer, ito yung life path number mo, no? 8, no? So, and also you have this color yellow, no? So, for some of you, no, Cancer, no? You can wear yellow within this week, no? To attract positive and positivity, no? Right, no? And of course, and also kung di man kayo sanay magsuot ng yellow, no? You can bring something na yellow, no? Sa inyong katawan, no? So, para you can attract positive, no? So, lalo na kapag may nasa exams kayo, right? Bring some yellow, no? Para lang din ma-motivate din kayo na to attract positivity, no? Right? Job interview, business, whatever it is, no? So, yeah, that's it for you, Cancer, no? So, I hope naka-resonate kayo with your reading right now ng mga Cancer, no? So, yeah, thank you, Cancer. So, yeah, no, let's proceed to you, Scorpio. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Scorpio natin dyan, no? So, let's see, anong career situation nyo right now, mga Scorpio natin, right? No? So, kuha tayo dito ng 2 cards for you, Scorpios. So, yeah. 1, 2, no? So, let's see what are those cards. Diba, no? Alam mo, may connect, parang magkakakonek-connect lang kayo, no? So, you also have this, no? Scorpio, no? So, God is with you, no? In this battle, no? So, yan, no? Ito yung sinasabi sa'yo, Scorpio, no? So, tignan natin, bakit? So, lover, enemy, friend, help, no? So, yan, no? For some of you, no? Kung sino lang makaka-relate dito, no? Mga Scorpio, right? No? So, because God is with you, no? Sinasabi rito, Scorpio. For some of you, no? I think this is a very, very specific, no? Message, no? For some of you, Scorpio, no? Parang may sinasabi dito sa inyo si Universe, right? No? So, you have this lover, no, Scorpio, na enemy, no, something like that, no. I don't know kung this is your current lover or partner or an ex-partner, no, for some of you, Scorpio, no. So, beware, no, maybe nararamdaman mo na rin to, no, parang kaaway mo siya or yun nga, no, may something siyang hindi maganda na ginagawa, no. Basta ay parang this lover of yours, Scorpio, is really not good for you, no? Something like that, no? Kaya pala, nandito si God, may message siya na God is with you in this battle, no? So, maybe you are struggling with your partner right now, no? Scorpio, no? So, kaya sinasabi sa'yo ni God is, nandiyan lang siya for you. Nandiyan siya for you, no? So, eventually, I think is matatapos rin to, no? Soon, no? So, wag kang mag-alala, no? Because, if if it is, no, I think for some of you, maybe this is meant to happen, no? Because si God ay nandiyan, no? Parang maybe for some of you, tinitest kayo, no? Something like that, no? So, there is, struggling, no? Within your relationship, no? So, and then, if you are seeking some help, no? So, maybe, you can ask daw, no? Some of your friends, no? Na makakatulong sa'yo, no? Scorpio, no? Pwede ka nilang tulungan, no? So, yan, no, ito yung sinasabi sa'yo dito, no? So, kung sino lang ang makaka-relate, no? So, but then, because this is a career reading pala, no? So, ang iyong partner, no? So, maybe may struggle kayo financially, no? I think kung may business kayo together, baka nag-struggle ang inyong business, no? Maybe, one of you ay hindi maayos sa business. That's why, may problem, no? So, or whatever, no, baka meron pang iba, no? Or kung job naman nito ay yun nga, no, maybe ay meron talagang mga hidden enemy around you, no, sa inyong job na nagsasabotahe ng mga ginagawa nyo, no, whatever it is, siguro kung mga mga projects nyo sa inyong job, no, something like that, no. So, meron talaga na around you, no? So, lover, enemy, no? So, meron talaga. So, pwede rin namang hindi to partner. Pwedeng sabihin natin. Kasi kung lover, ibig sabihin ay mahalaga sa'yo ito na tao, right? No? So, maybe ay pwedeng sabihin natin kapatid, no? Siblings, or even parents, no? Someone na mahal mo. Ang yun pala ay sinasabotahe ka sa iyong finances, no? Mga Scorpio, no? So, and then, for some of you, sinasabi dito, if you are seeking help, no, you can ask your friends, no, maybe, kasi nga, hindi ka makahingi ng tulong, no, sa mga tao na malapit sa'yo na family mo mismo dahil maybe you are doubting na, no, kaya ka ganun. So, kaya sinasabi sa'yo dito is, you can seek help, no, from your friends, no, sabi dito, no. So, yeah, and also, no, wag kang mag-alala because God is with you, no, in this battle, no. So, tinutulungan ka naman, God is guiding you, no, within this, whatever you are struggling right now within your finances, no, mga Scorpio, no. So, don't lose hope, no? Parang ganun. So, tignan natin what are the possible lucky numbers for you, Scorpio, or color, no? Kung may makuha tayo. So, let's see. What are your lucky numbers within this week? What tayo ng 6 cards for you, Scorpio, right, no? So, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last 6, no? So, let's see. So, you have 29, 17, 33, no? So, you have angel number to, no? 33, no? So, you can search it out, no? So, para malaman mo what's the message ng iyong angels, no? So, you also have 34. So, you have a lot of trees din dito, Scorpio, no? So, maybe lagi ka naaakita ng 333, no? Something like that, no? Repeated numbers, no? So, may synchronicities talaga rito, no? So, you have 34, 13, and 51, no? So, you are really connected din sa number 3, no? Scorpio, no? So, I think, life path number mo is 3, no? For some of you, no? So, you can search it out also, no? Meron kang 3-3, pwede ring 4 na 3, tatlong 3, no? There is a message for you, no? So, yan, no? Again, no? Once you see these numbers, no? Repeatedly within this week, there is something good news or positive news na marireceive nyo, no? Mga Scorpio, right? No? So, yeah, that's it for you, Scorpio, no? So, I hope naka-resonate kayo within these reading for you, right? No, so yeah, God bless you all, Scorpio, and thank you. So yeah, let's proceed to you, Pisces, no? So, how are you dyan, mga Pisces natin dyan? So, let's see anong career situation meron kayo right now, no, mga Pisces natin, no, Pisces. So, kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, Pisces. 2 cards for Pisces, please, universe. So, one more card. So, let's see anong sitwasyon meron ang mga Pisces natin right now. So, ang dami no, puro kayo talaga no. So, you have also din, no, spiritual awakening, no. So, talagang lagi nating nakukuha to ngayon, no. So, marami na talaga ang na-aware, no, sa ating paligid right now. So, that's a good sign, no. So, you are totally accepting God, no, ating source sa iyong life, no, mga Pisces, no. So, you are in your journey din, no, ng spiritual awakening, no. So, yan, no, for some of you Pisces, no, kung sino lang makaka-relate sa inyo na mga Pisces, no. So, yan, no, so, you are starting your journey right now, no, mga Pisces, and that's a good thing, no. So, palawakin nyo pa ito, no. So, I hope na lahat ng mga obstacles kasi marami yan, no? So, expect the worst, no? Something like that. But then, after that, expect happiness, no? Something like that. So, what else? So, yeah, no? Pisces, no? So, maybe, no? Meron daw dito, no? Yan, no? For some of you, because the spiritual awakening, no? So, may connected din to sa iyong career, right? No? So, maybe, iba-iba kasi ang magiging ano yan iba-iba ang spiritual awakening na depende yon kung saan kayo, 'di ba? Halimbawa ay ikaw ay medium, no? Psychic, no? Something like that, no? So, tarot reader or a faith healer, no? A life coach, no? So, kahit ano, no? So, maraming aspects ng pwede kang maging career, no? Sa spiritual, right? No? So, ito yung parang, ito na yung start ng iyong career, no? Within your spirituality, no? Pisces. So, also, you have daw this, so, no? You also have this, no? Accept offer, no? From a water sign also, like you, Pisces, no? So, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, no? So, I think there is an offer maybe because this is a career, no? Maybe meron kang mga ventures with a water sign, no? So, but then, hindi naman siguro, hindi naman palaging dapat water sign. But then, if there is, no? So, may mga offers, businessman, job man, na to, whatever it is, na regarding sa iyong finances, no? So, i-accept mo daw, no? So, it's no, kumbaga, this is a confirmation for you, Pisces, no, to accept that offer. But then, before, no, be mindful, no? Kailangan ay, pag-aralan mo ding mabuti, no? Before investing or going into to some offers, no? Kailangan, kung may contract signing, basahin mo muna, no? Something like that, no? Para aware ka, no? Kung ano yung mga dapat dun sa loob ng partnership, whatever it is, no? So, yeah, no? So, kumbaga ay merong mga opportunities na magbubukas sa iyo, Pisces, no? So, because you are in this spiritual awakening, no? So, expect an opportunities, no? Doors of opportunities that will open to you, no, Pisces. So let's see what are the lucky numbers, no? Possible lucky numbers for you this week, no, mga Pisces natin yan. So let's see, no? Kuha tayo dito ng 6 cards for you, Pisces. Possible lucky numbers or even color, no, kung makakuha tayo. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, ano kaya to? So, you have this 24, 50, 53, 31, 39, and number 2, no? So, yan, no? Pisces, no? Again, these are your possible lucky numbers within this week, no? 24, 50, 53, 31, 39, and number 2, no? So, again, no, once na makita mo to, repeatedly, no, within this week ay you will receive some good news, no, or positive news, no, whatever it is, no. So, yan, no, kapag nakakita ka ng repeatedly numbers na etong nasa harapan nyo ngayon, Pisces, no. So, yan, no, but then kung wala man kayo makita, don't be disappointed, no? So, maybe this is not the right time for you, no? Mga Pisces. Always, accept what is hindi nangyayari, no? But then, be happy pa rin to attract positivity, right? No? So, yeah, that's it for you, Pisces, no? And overall, for you, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, no? So, again, no? So, ayun lang naman yung nakuha natin and marami sa inyo ang nag-a-awaken na. So, fully, no? So, parang ang ganda ng mga nangyayari din, no? Because more people are awakening, no? And accepting God, no? Sa kanilang buhay, right? No? So, yeah. Continue nyo lang yan. Embrace your spiritual awakening, spiritual journey, no? Yeah, mga water signs. So, yeah, that's it for you, water signs, no? And thank you for watching and God bless you all, water signs.